Here's how your organization can increase its profit annually, generating even millions of naira each passing year by cutting cost, increasing the operations and financial transparency of all your centers to you even from the comfort of your home through a secured channel. To realize over ₦1 million in your company's account in a year's time, your organization needs to invest 5K per month for each center in our resourceful technology solution. Our solution includes a fingerprint-oriented database management software, and a mobile app. You can see what time your staff and students came to resume lecture and left. So, no need to spend on transportation, going to centers here and there to check its records. Find out if your employees are double-crossing you on the financial income of your centers where you are absent. The fingerprint technology ensures the data integrity of your staff and students' records. You have a direct communication medium between you and your students. There is a tight security network between you and your organization's data. Use fingerprint technology to halt deceit from students who reprint and edit your entry cards, thereby generating even more revenue. Improve your organization's operation standard with technology to save you more time in performing even the most basic of tasks. Save time and energy on viewing old records without having to research your bookshelves. No more queues at the reception, as the attendance per person takes less than 2 seconds. Every student wants to go to a standard lecture center, and that would always keep generating even more revenue for your organization. The signing in and out is done through fingerprints. You can periodically know how many students are currently present in your centers. Your students cannot attend classes when their subscription to you has expired. Your students can attend any of your centers as long as their subscription to you is still valid. You can track the daily financial records of your centers with the mobile app, exclusively to you. You can view any center's attendance from anywhere by you only. Students whose subscription to you is less than 5 days to expire are auto-mailed based on the expiration. You can directly mail your students and staff based on their category: science, social science and arts. Viewing old records is only a few clicks away. You can view the individual track record of a student or staff without any physical stress. Please note that the pricing is for our software services alone. Why not give us a call today and request a quote? Telephone: 0811304145, 081631725595.